Press F2 for the configuration dialog. In this dialog, on the first column, you see the channel numbers, and here you see the cables. Take care of the AI9 and corresponding on the second cable AA21. These are for higher voltage than 10 volt. If you want to connect your inductive sensor from the crankshaft, so it's better to use these high voltage input. So let's set up these for just the diagnosis. We select the type Other. Now please use the right mouse click to open the detail dialog. We changed the channel name to inductive. It's also called VRS sensor. We use the unit voltage, and we define the gain to 1. That means 1 volt is 1 volt. And if you like, you can also associate the TDC to the cylinder 1, but it doesn't matter. Apply these changes, and now on the right side you have a table for the configuration overview. Because we don't want to use it, we switch it back to not used, and we want to save our parameter file. So click on Save and define the name, in our case OBI tutorial demo. AAP means parameter, and yeah, that's it. Apply and exit the dialog, and after a couple of seconds, when the configuration is downloaded to the OBI hardware, you can see the pressure traces running.